Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Louis. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful hairstyle. If this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Louis. So here on my channel I teach how to do bridal hair, and I also have some videos that might interest you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also like this video, watch them, share them with your friends because sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And to my existing subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone. You guys are really amazing. So I'll be using the yellow got to be gel to do today's hairstyle. So I really wanted to do this with you guys so you guys can see the difference between this and the black tube. So this one, after application, you need to allow it to clear on its own, and it's really strong. So I'm just going to use my edge control brush to like push it in and allow it to sit for a while. Then after that I'm going to get the hand dryer and blow it out. So after that I'm going to get my wig. This wig is from Priceless Hair, you guys can look them up. So I'm just going to place it and then tap it in before I use my hand dryer. Guys, this is already sitting. So up next I'm going to lift the lace and then apply the got to be gel on her forehead where I want the frontal to sit. Then after that I'm going to allow it clear. So guys, the yellow got to be gel is white in paste and it gives a stronger grip even without the got to be gel, unlike the black one. The black one is transparent and it works better with the got to be spray. So I'm just going to apply, like I said, and allow it before I now place my lace on it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So now I'm going to get my curler and curl it. So I'm just going to do it as seen in the video. Then after that I'll be moving on to the middle part and then curl it. So now I'm going to get a rubber band and then do a smooth combing and use it to hold the hair.
So
So now moving on to making the chink knot. So I'm going to get a rubber band and then use my bobby pins and put it in between. So I'll flip the hair upward and use it to hold it as seen in the video. Then I'm going to get my hair pattern. So I have a video where I did how to make hair patterns, so I'll be leaving it up here so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do hair patterns. So the frontal we're working with today is really short and I really wanted it to be smooth on both sides, so I'm just using my pins to like hold it down so it can really be smooth. So guys, always secure your bun down very well because she's definitely going to dance, and if it's not secured down properly, the hair might just fall off. So now I'm just gonna flip the hair back on the bun and then section it, or spread it rather. So I'm going to get my rattle comb and then make it smooth. Then after that, I'm going to get a rubber band and use it to hold the tips tightly and then stuff it inside the bun, like underneath. So now at this point, I'm going to try my best to hide in the rubber band. So I'm going to be using this with the support of my bobby pin. I'm going to get my hose spray and then fix it because we really don't want this to move. Then after that, I'm going to get this flat brush and then use it to smooth it. So then after that, I'm going to get my invisible net and then put it on it. Up next, I'm going to take out my control paint and comb it. So then after that, I'll start doing the stink-like thing with the support of my control paint.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
I like to press it down with my control pins. Then when I take it out, before that, I'll use the open pins to like hold it down. So now I'm just gonna spray it and then use my comb to like blend it in. So moving on to the next one, I'm going to do the same thing, just comb it out and then spread it and use my control pins to hold it. So at this point I'm going to just comb it out and then get my spray and get my control pins and make sure the front is lit. So I have a very detailed video on how to do a side sweep, so I'm going to leave it up there so you guys can go watch it. So guys, we're done with that, so I'm just going to spray to set. So then moving on to the accessories. These are the accessories we're working with today, and they're from B Creations and Bright. So I'm going to carefully take out my control paints and then support it with, or hold it down with my open paint. So then after that I'll start placing my accessories. So I'm going to be placing it as so in the video. Hi guys, welcome back once again. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, cause you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, just in case you see any ads on any of my videos, please don't skip them, just watch them. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.